update on this charger. My battery's about 80% already, but I had it on the 5 amp, 3 amp, 5 amps mode. They're pretty good. Also, taking it out right now. I pick this package right here. And this is gonna be for my big 3. So these are removable. You can move this post to the side right here, or you can keep it where it's at. It came loose, I'm gonna top mount it. These are I believe these are 4 gauge, and if you remove the ring terminal inside, it'll turn out to be 4 gauge. This is 8. You can reduce it or increase it to 4-aught. Reason being, I bought this, I have a Mercedes, and I don't feel like cutting into the wires. So this is perfect when I run my cables right here. For the 0 gauge cable that I already have connected. And this post right here is gonna be for my one run of 0 gauge from the alternator to the rear. But I like it. These are M6 posts. They're made by Recoil. It also comes with a set of hardwares. These adapter posts, in case yours is too small, you can fit these rings inside, set them right on top, tighten them up, you should be good. All right, there's my Group 49 AGM. That's the only thing I've been running with my system. No big 3 at the time, but it's coming. I put these posts on here, they fit actually perfect. I can tighten them up right there. Tighten them up on that side. Should work perfect, should work great. All right, guys.